Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, a comparison between the Poco F2 Pro and the TCL 10 Pro. This is in 4K at 30 frames because that is what the TCL 10 Pro can shoot up to. And I have the same thing on the Poco F2, which it can shoot up to 4K at 60. But this part is just in 30 frames. Again, how does everything look and how does that sound? I'm going to switch the audio back and forth. Both phones, the TCL 10 Pro you can get for $449, and the F2 Pro you can get for around $499, maybe $500 if you look on eBay. Do y'all see any focusing problems? Again, how does that sound and how's the audio? It is kind of windy in Texas and hot too, and how's the stabilization? They both should have stabilization on at 30 frames. Slow pan. Yes, it's a beautiful day in Texas, but it is hot. I think I said that like 3 times already. That's how hot it is. Y'all know how I like to do these comparisons. I'm going to just take some video, some photos, put it together, and y'all pick a winner. Y'all let me know. $449 or $499. Which one has the better cameras on there? We'll definitely find out. I'm going to come back with 1080p at 60 frames. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is actually 1080p at 30 frames. I just realized that the TCL 10 Pro does not have 60 frames even at 1080p. How do y'all feel about that one? I don't know. Look, slow pan. That's kind of whack, man. I'm not gonna lie. For a phone for $449, not to have 1080p 60 frames. How do y'all feel? I don't know. Y'all let me know. How's the stabilization? Again, I'm just walking around the park, holding both phones. There are people out here today. They are enjoying this weather. Even though it's hot, they are enjoying the weather. Nobody's in the water, though, because you're not supposed to swim. I don't know if I was swimming there anyway, but y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm just dumbfounded by the 1080p at, 30 frames. Is that a deal breaker for you? Do you need a phone that shoots at 60 frames at 1080p? I mean, I don't need a phone, but it would be nice to have, especially with the money that you're putting out for this phone. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Again, how's the stabilization on it? How's the colors? They actually both look pretty good. Not gonna lie. The TCL might oversaturate everything a little bit. It might, but definitely I'm gonna check it out. How's the audio? Again, like I said, I'm gonna just switch the audio back and forth. It's a pretty day to look at the water. I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera in just a moment. Until then, peace. All right, everyone, so this is the front facing camera on both phones. Yes, it's in 1080p at 60 frames per second. Again, how does everything look? How does it sound? Look, slow pan. They both shoot at 1080p at 30 frames. I don't know why the Poco won't do 4K at 30 at least. But, it is what it is. How do I look? And how's the stabilization on both phones too? I'm just holding them. I'm going to come back with some nighttime video and also some photos too. But, I don't know. I think they both actually doing a pretty good job with the sky in the back. I don't want to get into the sunlight. Again, shout out to Android Stud. He hates when creators do that. But again, how was this whole video? What y'all thought about the 4K and the 1080p at 30? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. I'm going to come back with nighttime photos and videos. Until then, peace.
That time I got that heat, let's go.
Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on both phones. Yes, the Poco F2 Pro and my TCL 10 Pro. Again, what y'all think about this whole video? What y'all thought about the photos earlier during the day? The 4K video? I don't know why that bug is flying around me. Which one is doing a better job at nighttime? Yes, I'm at Big Lots and Walmart. That's Walmart over there, but you know, just walking around. I don't know what the TCL has, like a yellow tint to it, but now it looks kind of normal. Look, there's Big Lots. What y'all think about the sky? I don't know, which one y'all think does a better job? Y'all let me know. I'm just walking around the parking lot. I love doing these comparison videos so that way we can get a discussion going and pick a winner. The battle of the below 500 phones. What y'all think? Looks good, pretty good to me. I'm gonna come back with the front-facing camera so we can wrap this video up. Until then, peace. All right, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on both phones. Yes, it's 1080p at 30 frames per second. What y'all think? Again, how that sound? How that look? It looks like the TCL 10 Pro is oversaturating the color of my shirt. But besides that, it looks pretty good. Again, how's the audio? Because I'm just holding each phone, walking around the park, or walking around the parking lot. Look at Big Lots in the background there. What y'all think? What y'all thought about this whole video? Let's pick a winner. Stay tuned. I'm going to have some photos that I took at nighttime too. Which one does a better job with their super night or their night mode? And also, do you shoot video at nighttime? Do you like people that shoot video at nighttime and do these comparisons? Y'all let me know. I don't know. I think they actually both look pretty good. The only gripe I have is that the Poco does not do 4K at 30. I guess because of the pop-up camera. But y'all know, y'all let me know. Pick a winner. Stay tuned to the photos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so. Also, follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out.